Imagine holding in your hands an instrument so powerful, its sound transcends time and space, weaving a melody that captivates the soul. This isn't just any instrument. It's a Stradivarius, the crown jewel of stringed instruments, crafted by the legendary Antonio Stradivari over 300 years ago. The mystery behind the divine sound of Stradivarius violins has puzzled musicians, scientists, and historians alike for centuries. But recent breakthroughs have finally begun to unveil the secrets hidden within these timeless treasures, combining the rich history of Stradivari's craftsmanship with modern scientific discovery. Antonio Stradivari, working in the small Italian town of Cremona during the late 17th and early 18th centuries, created more than 1,200 stringed instruments, with about 600 surviving today. These instruments, especially his violins, have become synonymous with musical perfection, fetching millions at auctions and revered by the world's top musicians. But what makes a Stradivarius so special? Is it the craftsmanship, the wood, or something more? For years, the theory that the unique climate of the Little Ice Age contributed to the denser wood Stradivari used dominated discussions. However, the narrative began to shift with groundbreaking research led by Joseph Negivari, a biochemistry professor emeritus at Texas A&M University, who proposed that the secret to Stradivari's success was not just in the wood or craftsmanship, but in the chemical treatment applied to the instruments. Collaborating with an international team, including Huan-Ching Tai from National Taiwan University, Negivari's research identified several chemicals used by Stradivari, such as borax, zinc, copper, and alum mixed with lime water. These substances, initially intended to preserve the wood from the rampant worm infestations of the time, inadvertently enhanced the wood's acoustic properties, creating a sound unmatched for centuries. This discovery sheds light on Stradivari's innovative methods, blending art with the science of his time. He was not just a craftsman, but a pioneer who understood the importance of protecting his creations while unknowingly enhancing their sound. The use of chemical treatments such as borates for wood preservation was not new. However, its application in musical instrument craftsmanship, with a specific focus on acoustics, highlights a multidisciplinary approach that was far ahead of its time. The implications of this research are profound, offering modern luthiers and material scientists insights into historical techniques that could inspire new innovations in instrument making. By understanding the specific treatments used by Stradivari, there's potential to blend these ancient methods with contemporary technologies to push the boundaries of what's possible in musical expression. Stradivarius violins stand as a testament to the enduring pursuit of perfection, where the fusion of art and science creates a legacy that continues to inspire and challenge. As we uncover more about Stradivari's methods, we not only pay homage to his genius, but also open new pathways for future explorations in the art of sound, ensuring that the symphony of Stradivarius resonates for generations to come. We've uncovered the intricate blend of art and science that Antonio Stradivari mastered to create instruments whose sounds transcend time. From the historical depths of Cremona to the cutting-edge laboratories of today, we've seen how tradition and innovation intertwine, revealing secrets held for centuries. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration. Your curiosity fuels our quest for knowledge, and your passion for music and history makes these discoveries all the more rewarding. Thank you for watching, and remember, the Symphony of Stradivarius is a testament to the enduring pursuit of perfection, inspiring us to continue exploring the art of sound for generations to come.